So you had to decide which ones were the greater sum. So if you add 3 tenths plus 4 tenths, 3 plus 4 would get you 7 tenths. Ooh. Then if I added 3 plus 4, I would get 7 hundredths. Now they're different, but if I add a 0 to this side, you can see which one is bigger. Would you rather have 70 hundredths or 7? So 3 tenths plus 4 tenths is the larger one. Now in B, we have 3 tenths plus 4 tenths again, which we know is 7 tenths. 30 plus 40 would get you 70, and we're hundredths. So to compare them to be the same, I'm going to add a 0 to my tenths. And if you notice, they're the same thing, so they are equal. The last one we have 7 tenths again. Now 40 plus 3, or 3 plus 40 would give you 43 hundredths. And again, if we add a 0, 70 is bigger than 43.